Hello parents and students, this is Harshita and welcome to my channel Loft Academia. Today we will be discussing IMO International Mathematics Olympiad Class 4 Chapter 4 Length, Weight, Capacity, Time and Money. Okay, so topics which will be covered as a part of this chapter are as conversion of units of time, weight, length, capacity, money from one unit to another. So, length also has a unit of measurement, so is weight, capacity, time, and money. Okay, so what is unit of measurement? The unit which you use to measure something. Okay, so for length, it is say meter and centimeter. For weight, it is gram, kilogram. For capacity, it will be in liters. For time, it will be seconds, hours, months, minutes, years, weeks, etc. For money, it will be rupees, paise, etc. So, why do we have unit of measurement different? It is because you can measure length in centimeter, meter, etc., but you can't measure weight in with the same unit of measurement, right? So you can't say that okay, my weight is 20 centimeter or 20 meter. No, it will be 20 kg, right? Same with capacity. Fluids are measured basis how much they will occupy space in a container. Okay, fluids such as fluids are nothing but liquids. Okay, so such as water, milk, juice, oil, etc. So they can't be measured in grams or kilograms or meter, centimeter, seconds, right? So that's why they are measured in liters. Time, again the same concept. So that is the reason for everything we have different unit of measurement, and there are conversions which can happen between them. Okay, so such as 1 kg is 1000 grams, right? All right, so the next topic which will be covered is calculating time spent between two activities. Relation of years, months, weeks, days, hours, minutes and seconds. Duration of time, measuring weights, lengths using weighing scale or ruler. Calculating money in shopping activities, calendar reading, comparing weights and lengths, and word problem. So let us get started with our first section, mathematical reasoning. Question number 1. A train left Mumbai at 10:30 a.m. and reached Bangalore at 6:05 p.m. on the same day. How long did it take to reach Bangalore? Okay, so in order to solve these kind of problems, first you have to see when this has started. Okay, so when the train has started, 10:30 a.m. and reach कब हुआ है 6:05 p.m. So start counting from 10:30 till 6 o'clock. Okay, because this is happening on the same day, right? So 10:30, after that you have to count 11:30. Okay, 10:30 के बाद you have to count 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30 and 5:30, which is 7 hours so far. And stop here because this is 6:05 and not 6:30, right? So stop at 5:30. That becomes 7 hours. And from 5:30 to 6:05, you can count how many minutes are there. So 5:30 to 6 is 30 minutes, half an hour only, right? So, and then added to 30 minutes, this 5 minutes. That becomes 35 minutes. So your total is 7 hours and 35 minutes, which is option B. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question. Question number 2. Raghav has a ribbon of length 5 meter. ठीक है? He cuts it into equal pieces for 25 students. What is the length of ribbon each student will get? Okay, So he has 5 meter long ribbon and he cuts it into 25 pieces and gives it to 25 students. Okay, so 5 meter hai और 25 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. सो ऑब्वियसली 5 डिवाइड बाय 25 करने से बेटर है यू कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो दैट यू विल गेट होल नंबर. डेसिमल से तो बेटर है ना गेटिंग द होल नंबर. सो प्लीज कन्वर्ट 5 मीटर into centimeter. As we know, 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 5 meter will be 500 centimeter. Okay, so the length of ribbon is 500 centimeter. Now this has to be equally divided in 25 students, right? So which means 500 centimeter divide by 25 each student will get, and 500 divide by 25, the answer is 20 centimeter. Kids, please try this in the rough sheet. I have done the mental calculation. So, so 500 centimeter divided by 25 students is, you will get the answer as 20 centimeter. So please tick option A as the answer to this question. Moving on to the next question. Question number 3. How many 500 grams sugar packets are required to make 4 kg? ओके, सो इसका यूनिट ग्राम्स है, इसका यूनिट केजी है. ब्रिंग इट ऑन द सेम लेवल. ओके, बिटवीन grams and kg, grams is the smaller unit, right? So it is always better to convert it in the smaller unit for easier calculation. So 4 kg, 1 kg is 1000 grams, 4 kg is 4000 grams, right? So this becomes 4000. Correct. So 4000 grams is the total weight. Now we have to find out 500 grams का कितना पैकेट होगा. So for that you have to divide this by 500. Okay, so that you can get number of packets. Alright, so dividing it, what I get is 8 5s are 40. So this is 8. Right? So which means my answer is 8. Option A, 8 packets will make 4 kg. 8 packets of 500 grams will make it 4 kg. So please tick option A as the answer to this question. Moving on to the next question. Question number 4. If cost of 1 kg grapes is 80 rupees, then what is the cost of 250 grams of grapes? Again the same thing, you have one unit as grams and other as kg. It is always better to bring everything on the smaller unit front. Okay, so smaller unit क्या है यहाँ पे grams है. So I will convert 1 kg as 1000 grams. ठीक है, so 1000 grams 80 rupees है. So 250 grams kitna hai? So 250 is what? 1/4 of this, right? So which means you will you will have to divide 80 rupees by 4, right? To get the answer. 1000 grams 80 rupees. 250 grams, how much? That will be, you will have to do 80 divided by 4 in order to get the answer, which is rupees 20. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question. Question number 5. The weight of each of the 6 identical cubes is. Okay, so you see 6 identical cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cubes is equal to this. You have 3 weights here of 500 grams each. So iska total becomes 1500. 500 plus 500 plus 500, 1500 grams. And how many cubes are there? 6 cubes. 6 cubes is equal to 1500 grams. So which means 1 cube will be equal to 1500 divided by 6. Right? So isko vertical division karna, and the answer you will get is 250 grams each. So each cube will weigh 250 grams. So as I have been saying, kids, please solve all these in your rough sheet. Okay, and transfer all your answers to the OMR sheet. Moving on to the next question. Question number 6. 1000 ml is equal to what? So they have given you some options, right? Four options, and we have to see that 1000 milliliter is equal to what? Okay, so the easiest way of doing this is to quickly add what these are given. So add each of the options. Okay, quickly adding them, I get option A as 600 ml, option B as 1000 ml, which is indeed answer to this question, option C as 1500 ml, and option D as 900 ml. So please tick option B as the answer to this question. Moving on to the next question, question number 7. Weight of an apple is dash grams. Okay, so let us first closely study the given figure. Okay, so as you can see, the scale is given in grams. यहाँ पे G दिख रहा है ना? So this is given in grams. This is also given in grams. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 balls is equal to 16, 17, 18. So 9 balls is equal to 18 grams. ठीक है? And here you have 3 balls and 1 apple. So let me just see, 26, 27, 28. So writing this in equation, I get 3 balls plus 1 apple equal to 28 grams as the second equation. ठीक है? अभी what you can find out from here is 9 balls is 18 grams. So 1 ball will be 18 divided by 9, that is 2 grams, right? So from this equation I can get 1 ball is equal to 2 grams. So I will write ball equal to 2 grams here itself. Okay, so 1 ball I have got as 2 grams. Now using this I can substitute over here, right? So 3 balls, so 3 multiplied by 2, I get 6 plus 1 apple, okay, equal to 28, right? So 1 apple is equal to 28 minus 6. So 28 minus 6 is 22. So 1 apple weighs 22 grams, which is option B. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question, question number 8. How much does a pastry cost? Okay, so if you look at this equation, you have pastry, donut, cupcake and biscuit equal to 85. So likewise, you have 4 equations which are given over here. Okay, so if you noticed right away, what I can find out is the easiest equation to start with is cupcake, because 2 cupcakes are equal to 24. So 1 cupcake will be 24 divided by 2. So cupcake I can get as 12. So cupcake is 12 rupees, right? So which I can easily get out of this equation. Now further equations, I will also use a rough sheet to show that. Fine. As you can see, I have replicated this equation in the rough sheet. So pastry plus donut plus cupcake plus biscuit is 85, which is this equation. Donut plus pastry plus cupcake is equal to 75, which is second equation. Donut plus biscuit plus donut is equal to 48, which is this equation. Now 2 cupcakes is equal to 24, so we got 1 cupcake as 12 from there. So let us now solve this from the rough sheet itself. So I have got cupcake as 12. I have to look for the equation where I can use it. कहाँ यूज़ कर सकती हूँ? डोनट और बिस्किट के इक्वेशन में तो यूज़ नहीं कर सकती, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कपकेक ही नहीं है. यहाँ पे मैं यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. जहाँ पे डोनट, पेस्ट्री और कपकेक है, आई कैन यूज़ दिस, बिकॉज इसमें एक और बिस्किट है जिसका भी कुछ पता नहीं अपने को. सो लेट अस यूज़ दिस इक्वेशन, सब्सटीट्यूटिंग कपकेक एज 12 ओवर हियर. सो ये इक्वेशन मैं अभी यूज़ करने वाली हूँ ओवर हियर. So I have written this as donut plus pastry plus cupcake. So cupcake is 12 equal to 75. So donut plus pastry will be now equal to 75 minus 12. So let's do it. Alright, so I got the donut plus pastry as equal to 63 rupees. ठीक है. अब इसमें से भी we can't find out anything because now there are still two variables. तो अभी ये जो 63 अमाउंट है, ये जो 63 वैल्यू आया है डोनट प्लस पेस्ट्री का, if I use this in the first equation, donut plus pastry के लिए, okay, so let me now try doing that. So this is how now the first equation will look like, because I got donut plus pastry, that is pastry plus donut. इसकी value I have got, right? इसकी value which is 63, and I have got cupcake as 12, right? But biscuit is not known. So यहाँ से हम लोग biscuit की value निकाल सकते हैं. ठीक है. So 63 plus 12 plus biscuit. So 63 plus 12, which is nothing but 75, right? So 75 plus biscuit is equal to 85. So biscuit will be now equal to 10. Okay. So I got value of biscuit as 10 rupees from this. ये resolve करेंगे तो 63 plus 12 will be 75 और biscuit will be 85 minus 75. ठीक है. So that's why biscuit is 10. So now I have got value of biscuit as well. ठीक है. यहाँ पे cupcake मिला है, यहाँ पे biscuit मिला है. So now let us see where I can use it. I can use it in this equation, right? To find donut. Biscuit मिला है हम लोग को. So which means 2 times of donut. ये दोनों को add कर रही हूँ मैं. 2 times of donut plus 1 biscuit, which is 10, is equal to 48. राइट. सो ये 10 यहाँ पे 48 माइनस 10 हो जाएगा. सो 2 डोनट विल बी नाउ इक्वल टू 38, राइट. सो 1 डोनट विल बी इक्वल टू 38 डिवाइड बाय 2, which will be 19. So let's put that. So now we have got value of donut also, right? So donut का वैल्यू मिल गया. अभी पेस्ट्री तो कहीं पे भी किसी भी इक्वेशन में we can put and actually get it, right? So if I use this donut plus pastry equal to 63, जो हम लोग ने एक इक्वेशन निकाला था, उसमें भी if I add, if I substitute donut as 19, I can still get it, right? So which means it will become 19 plus pastry equal to 63, right? So pastry will be now equal to 63 minus 19, so which will be equal to 44 rupees, right? And that's what we wanted to find, right? So please tick option A as the answer to this question, that pastry is for 44 rupees. Moving on to the next question, question number 9. Radha has 466 rupees. How many maximum pencils of rupees 8 can she buy? Okay, so हर एक पेंसिल की कॉस्ट कितनी है? 8 rupees. She has 466 rupees in all. So maximum कितने pencils she can buy? Okay, so to see how many pencils she can buy, first we have to divide it. Okay, so which means 466 divided by 8 is what we should be doing. So let's do that. So by doing division, I get 466 divided by 8, as the quotient is 58 and remainder is 2. So maximum she can buy is 58 pencils. फिर भी उसके पास 2 रुपए बच जाएंगे. ठीक है. So remainder क्या होता है? What is left over? Okay. So what is left with her? So 2 rupees उसके पास बच जाएंगे. Maximum she can buy 58 pencils. 59th she can't even buy because सिर्फ 2 रुपए बचे हैं. अगर और 6 rupees होता तो maybe 59 she could have bought, but because the amount of money she has is 466, we have to do this division and find what is the quotient. So जो भी quotient आता है, that is the maximum number of pencils she can buy. So please tick option C, 58, as the answer to this question. Let us move to the next question. Question number 10. Atul sold 6 t-shirts for rupees 145 each. 6 t-shirts he sold for 145 each. Okay. With this amount, he bought 2 bags each of the same cost. Find the price of a bag. So let us first find out how much of money Atul got by selling 6 t-shirts. So 145 rupees each. So which means 145 rupees is the cost of one t-shirt. So एक t-shirt का cost है 145. 6 t-shirts का cost will be 145 multiplied by 6. So let's solve that. Solving that, you get 145 multiplied by 6 as 870 rupees. So अभी अतुल के पास 870 rupees है. And with this same amount, he has bought 2 bags, right? With this same amount. So ये जो amount है 870, he has bought 2 bags, each of same cost, correct? So 2 bags each of same cost, which means one bag will cost him 870 divided by 2. So let's do that. So resolving 870 divided by 2, what I get is 435, which is option C. Please tick rupees 435 as the price of one bag. Moving on to the next question, question number 11. If Soumya wants to pour whole water from jug into glasses of 400 ml capacity, then how many glasses will she need? ठीक है. सो एक ग्लास की कैपेसिटी है 400 ml. सो उनको भरने के लिए ये जग यूज करना है और सारा यूज करना है. एंड द capacity of jug is 3 liter and 200 ml, which you can see. So the first step is to bring it into 1 unit of measurement. Okay, so 1 unit of measurement मतलब या लीटर लेना है या ml लेना है. It is always suggested to take the smallest unit of measurement, right? So which means I have to convert 3 liter into ml. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 3 liter will be equal to 3000 ml. So 3000 milliliter plus 200 milliliter, the capacity of jug will be 3200 milliliter. Okay. So in order to find out how many glasses of 400 ml this particular jug can fill, for that you need to do the division. मतलब 3200 milliliter divided by 400 milliliter. That will give you number of glasses it can fill. Doing the division, what I get is it can be used to fill 8 glasses, which is option B. So please tick option B as the answer to this question. Direction for 12 and 13. Menu of a famous hotel is given below. Study it carefully and answer the following questions. So 12 and 13 के लिए ये same menu card use करना है. ठीक है. So as you can see, you have been given item ka list, right? So there are how many? 8 items on the menu card and the cost has been given for them. Okay, so let's start with question number 12. If Sonia bought 2 soups, 3 coffees and 1 tea, then how much amount she had to pay? Okay, so 2 soups. एक soup का cost है 30 rupees. 2 soup will cost 2 multiplied by 30. 3 coffees का cost. Okay, 1 coffee is 3 rupees. 3 coffees will cost 3 multiplied by 3. And 1 tea is for 2 rupees. So let us resolve this and add them together to find the answer. So the number statement is 2 multiplied by 30, that is 2 soups of 30 each, 3 multiplied by 3, 3 coffee of 3 each, and 1 multiplied by 2, that is 1 tea. So resolving it, 2 multiplied by 30 is 60 plus 9 because 3 threes are 9 plus 2. So 60 plus 9, that is 69, plus 2 is 71. So please tick option D as the answer to this question. Now let us look at the next question. Rohan gave a party to two of his friends. Okay, he bought 2 packets of chips, 1 pizza, 2 cutlet and 3 juices. How much he has to pay? Similar fashion में रोहन ने भी कितना पे किया? Let us find out. So the number statement for them looks like this. 2 packets of chips, 2 multiplied by 10 because 1 packet costs 10 rupees. 1 pizza, that is 1 multiplied by pizza cost, that is 70. Then 2 cutlets, so 2 multiplied by 12, 2 cutlets. And 3 multiplied by 10, which is juices, right? So 10 rupees. So let us multiply and then add them. So which means I have to first do multiplication, that is 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. This is plus 70 plus 24 plus 30 and add them together. Adding them together, I get it as 144, which is option C. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question, question number 14. Each item stands for a different value. यहाँ पे कुछ items दिए हैं, उनके different values है, cost है, मतलब, okay? The sum of each row and column is given. So, okay, so every row you have been given a sum. Every column you have been given a sum, right? So sum is what? This. So which means what are they trying to say is this plus this plus this equal to 125. This plus this plus this equal to 196. This plus this equal to 240. Similarly, this plus this equal to 267. These added together 54. These added together 240. That is the meaning of this particular problem. अब find out क्या करना है? What is the value of this item? So ये क्या है? This is a water purifier. This is a thermos or a teapot, you can say. Okay, and what is this? This is a fan. This is a rice cooker. Alright. So let us put some variables for them. क्योंकि otherwise it will become very difficult to solve. Okay, so I will say this as dub, just purifier डालती हूँ. Purifier है. This as tea. थर्मस है, टी पॉट है, जो भी बोलो, थर्मस ही लग रहा है ये. सो थर्मस डालते हैं इसको टी. फैन है तो मैं इसको एफ करती हूँ. ओके, दिस इज अ राइस कुकर, सो आई पुट इट एज सी ओनली. कुकर का सी. ठीक है. सो ये भी थर्मस हो गया, ये भी वो थर्मस हो गया, ये भी थर्मस हो गया, ये भी फैन हो गया और ये भी कुकर हो गया. ठीक है. सो विच मीन्स अभी मुझे ये इक्वेशंस जो बने हैं विच आर एक्चुअली हाउ मेनी 1 2 3 4 5 6 इक्वेशंस आर देयर. इनको यूज करके आई हैव टू फाइंड प्यूरिफायर. द फर्स्ट थिंग, द फर्स्ट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन शुड बी फाइंड कौन सा इक्वेशन ईजी है. whatever is the easiest equation we have to first use that. ठीक है. सो अभी जस्ट लुकिंग एट दिस फिगर आई कैन मेक आउट इसमें कितने वेरिएबल्स है, 3 है. इसमें कितने वेरिएबल्स है, 2 है, एक सी है और एक टी है. भले टी 2 क्यों ना हो पर वेरिएबल तो एक ही है. ओके, यहाँ पे एफ है, टी है, सी है. नाउ अगेन यू हैव 3. हियर ऑल्सो यू हैव 3 वेरिएबल्स बट हियर आई हैव ओनली 1 वेरिएबल. तो मैं इससे स्टार्ट कर सकती हूँ ना. यहाँ पे भी 3 वेरिएबल्स हैं. ओके, सो वेरिएबल क्या होते हैं जिनकी वैल्यू हमें पता नहीं होती, राइट? सो वी डोंट नो वैल्यू ऑफ टी एंड हियर टी यू कैन यूज दिस वेरिएबल इजीली. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 times of t equal to 54. करेक्ट है. So which means if I have to find value of t, I just have to do 54 divided by 3, क्योंकि 3 थर्मस का कॉस्ट अगर ऐड करूँ तो आई गेट 54, which means one thermos will be equal to 54 divided by 3, right? So let us find out value of thermos. Resolving that, I get T equal to 18. So एक थर्मस का कॉस्ट है 18 रुपीज़. सो नाउ लेट अस फाइंड आउट कि ये जो थर्मस का कॉस्ट हमें मिला है हम किस इक्वेशन में इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो वी हैव टू गो विद द इक्वेशन जहाँ पे कम वेरिएबल्स है. जैसे हम लोग ने इधर से स्टार्ट किया था, वी जस्ट हैड वन वेरिएबल इन दिस, सारा टी है. सो यहाँ पे और कौन सा, यहाँ पे 3 वेरिएबल्स हैं, यहाँ पे तो 2 है ना. लेकिन तो वी शुड स्टार्ट नाउ, वी शुड गो विथ दिस पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन. ओके, सो विच मीन्स 1 cooker plus 2 times of thermos equal to 196. So let me write that. Okay, so writing this as an equation, 1 cooker plus 2 thermos equal to 196. And why we have taken this particular equation is because this is having only 2 variables. सबसे कम से कम वेरिएबल्स से स्टार्ट करना है, राइट. सो 1 से स्टार्ट किया, अब 2 से. नाउ ये जो t का वैल्यू है 18 वी हैव ऑलरेडी गॉट. सो कैन आई सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस वैल्यू ओवर हियर? ऑफ कोर्स आई कैन. सो लेट मी डू दैट. So resolving it, this is what I get. कुकर प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 18, क्योंकि हमें टी के वैल्यू मतलब थर्मस का वैल्यू आया है 18. दैट्स वाई आई हैव पुट इन ओवर हियर. ये टी के बदले मैं यहाँ पे 18 डाल सकती हूँ, राइट. सो 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 18 इज इक्वल टू 196. सो विच मीन्स कुकर प्लस 36 इक्वल टू 196, which means cooker is equal to 196 minus 36, isn't it? So मुझे कुकर की वैल्यू आ रही है, हाँ, 160. So now we have got two values, एक तो थर्मस और दूसरी कुकर. ठीक है, सो थर्मस भी मिला, कुकर भी मिला. सो थर्मस और कुकर को यूज़ करके किसी तो इक्वेशन में हम डाल के वी कैन फाइंड आउट अनदर वेरिएबल. ओके, सो लेट्स सी थर्मस और कुकर कहाँ कहाँ है. थर्मस कुकर यहाँ पे है, बट दिस वे आई हैव ऑलरेडी यूज्ड. इफ़ आई हैव टू यूज़ दिस तो मुझे, मेरे पास फ़ैन की वैल्यू भी नहीं है, कुकर की है, तो यहाँ पे भी नहीं कर सकते. सो लेट मी ट्राई दिस वन. यहाँ पे ट्राई कर सकते हो, कुकर थर्मस फ़ैन, ऑफ कोर्स. सो कुकर कुकर प्लस थर्मस प्लस फ़ैन इज इक्वल टू 240 रुपीज़. और यही सेम इक्वेशन यहाँ पे भी है, फैन प्लस थर्मस प्लस कुकर इक्वल टू 240. अब मेरे पास कुकर की वैल्यू है, मेरे पास थर्मस की वैल्यू है, ये यूज़ करके मैं फ़ैन की वैल्यू निकाल सकती हूँ. सो लेट मी फर्स्ट पुट दिस एज एन इक्वेशन. नाउ आई हैव गॉन टू द नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन विच इज़ कुकर प्लस thermos plus fan equal to 240 rupees, right. So cooker we have got as 160, thermos we have got as 18 rupees, and fan we don't know, that's what we are going to find, equal to 240. So 160 plus 18 is 178 plus fan equal to 240, which means fan is equal to 240 minus 178, which when you do vertically you will get it as 62. Okay, so now we have got value of fan as well. So far we have got thermos equal to 18, we have got cooker equal to 160, and now we have also got fan equal to 62. लेकिन हमें फाइंड आउट क्या करना था? प्यूरीफायर. ये सब नहीं, राइट. ये किया क्यों है हमने? बिकॉज प्यूरीफायर की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट अदर वेरिएबल्स, अदरवाइज प्यूरीफायर हम फाइंड आउट ही नहीं कर सकते. प्यूरीफायर के लिए अभी दो इक्वेशंस है, आइदर वी यूज दिस और वी यूज दिस, क्योंकि अभी हमारे पास बाकी सारी वैल्यू है प्यूरीफायर छोड़ के. ओके, सो सपोज इफ आई यूज दिस इक्वेशन, that is purifier plus thermos plus fan equal to 125. आप ये भी इक्वेशन यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, आई एम पिकिंग दिस बिकॉज इसमें 125 अमाउंट छोटी है, इसमें बड़ी अमाउंट है, थोड़ा बड़ा कैलकुलेशन होता है. सो ट्राई कर सकते हैं हम लोग सबसे छोटा कैलकुलेशन यूज करने को, सो दैट इट इज ईजी टू डू. ओके, सो आई एम पिकिंग प्यूरिफायर plus thermos plus fan equal to 125. Okay, writing the necessary equation. Now it has become purifier plus thermos plus fan equal to 125. Purifier plus thermos you can put as 18, right? And fan you can put as 62. So I have just done the substitution. So purifier plus 18 plus 62 equal to 125. Resolving it further, purifier plus, I can add these two, right? 18 plus 62 equal to 80. So purifier plus 80 equal to 125. So purifier will be equal to 125 minus 80. Okay, so please do the calculation. 125 minus 80 is 45. So what is the cost of purifier you got? As rupees 45. So please tick option D as the answer to this question, which is value of purifier. Moving on to the next question, question number 15. Doctor advised Arman to take 3 milliliter ml of cup syrup 2 times a day. एक दिन में वो 2 बार ले रहा है 3 ml. ओके, फॉर हाउ मेनी डेज? 4 days. हमें ऐसी प्रिस्क्रिप्शन देते हैं, राइट डॉक्टर, that you have it 2 times or 3 times for say 2 days, 4 days, 5 days, etc. वैसे ही अरमान को भी प्रिस्क्रिप्शन मिला है 3 ml of cough syrup twice a day or 2 times a day for 4 days. How much cough syrup will Arman use in 4 days? ओके, सो 4 days के लिए अगर निकालना है तो पहले 1 day देखना पड़ेगा. सो 3 ml ही इज टेकिंग 2 times. Okay, which means 3 ml multiplied by 2 is 6 ml he is consuming in 1 day. Okay, so writing the number statement or equation for it, 1 day he is consuming 2 multiplied by 3 ml, which is 6 ml. So 6 ml of cup syrup is consumed by Arman on 1 day. 4 such days, you have to do 6 ml multiplied by 4, which is 24. So please tick option B 24 ml as the answer to this question. So writing it as a number statement for ready reference, right? 4 multiplied by 6 ml, 24 ml is consumed in 4 days. So please tick option B as the answer to this question and transfer all your answers to the OMR sheet.